I have a crazy schedule today. First, I have to head over to the grocery store and buy a few things for dinner tonight. Luckily, it's only a 2-minute walk from here. Then I have to head over to Sherway Gardens, which is about a 10-minute drive from here, and pick up a new outfit for tonight's event. Next, I have to head over to the airport, which is about a 15-minute drive from here, to pick up my friend. Then lastly, my friend and I are going to walk up to Islington subway station, which is about a 10-minute walk from here, and make our way into the city for tonight's big event. Location in real estate is everything, and luckily, 12 Augustus Terrace is perfectly located for those crazy event-filled days. It's time for you to get living and live a great story.